The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to be one of the smallest foldable phones ever built, with a folded thickness of around 9mm and an unfolded profile of under 0.5mm. However, a recent leak has reignited controversy over the camera bump. According to the leaker, the triple camera array rests on a very big vertical island that protrudes significantly from the phone's body, particularly when viewed from the side. The phone is rumored to be unveiled next month at an Unpacked event with the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Early mock-ups and teaser photos revealed the sleek silhouette, and the foldable is expected to set records in terms of slimness. However, one aspect of the phone appears to travel in the opposite direction: the rear camera. According to the leak, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will include a strong 200-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. On the front, the phone will allegedly include an enhanced under-display camera for the foldable screen as well as a 10-megapixel selfie camera on the cover display. However, not everyone is delighted with the camera bump. When a phone is aggressively advertised for its slimness, customers anticipate a smooth, simple design throughout. A big camera bump contradicts that promise for consumers who like their phones to rest flat on a table or slip effortlessly into a pocket. A large camera island might be bothersome. Some consumers may be satisfied with the bump if the camera quality is excellent, but for others, the appearance and feel of the phone are just as important as performance. Aside from the camera bump, the Fold 7 retains flagship-level features, including as a 6.5-inch Dynamic AMOLED to X outside display and an 8-inch Dynamic AMOLED to X foldable screen on the interior. The build is reported to contain a titanium backplate, although it's unknown whether Samsung uses a whole titanium frame or sticks with armor aluminum like its predecessor. The phone will also include stereo speakers, 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, UWB, and a USB Type-C connection. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.